Hello, this is Guadalupe Hernandez, and I will be presenting how to retell a story. When we tell someone else about a story we read, it's called retelling. Why do we retell stories? We retell stories to show we understood it. You cannot retell all the details in a story, so we will be selecting the most important parts of a story. First, think about the characters. Characters are an important part of a story. Characters can be people, animal, or creatures. Think about a book you just read. Did it include creatures or animals or people or a person? Those were the characters in that story. Second, think about the setting. The setting is where the story takes place. It can take place at a school. Look for a school classroom, outdoor school playground. The setting can take place at a home. Look for a kitchen, bedroom, living room, backyard, or other details that help you understand the stories taking place at a home. The setting can be outdoors, like the beach. Look for things that you find outdoors, like the sky, sunshine, ocean, a large body of water, or sand. The setting could be in different places. And it could be anywhere. It could be in outer space. It could be in a forest. So it's definitely describing a place. The third part includes 3 important parts: the beginning, middle, and end of a story. When retelling a story, it's very important to tell it in the correct order to avoid confusing your audience. This is why I use a graphic organizer to retell my story in the correct order. Now let's do a quick check. Did you include the most important parts of a story? Remember to include the characters, the setting, the beginning, middle, and end. Now I will retell a story to model for you how you can retell a story. First, select the book to read. I chose The 3 Little Pigs by Paul Gauguin, one of my favorite books. After reading the story, I will be identifying the characters. I have read the story. Now I will tell you what the characters are. The characters in the story are the 3 little pigs and a wolf. The story takes place in different parts. The setting is at a house made out of hay, a house made out of sticks, and a house made out of bricks. The setting takes place in all the 3 homes. It starts in one place at the house made out of hay, moves on to the house made out of sticks, and then ends at the house made out of bricks. At the beginning of the story, the 3 little pigs left their mother's house to make their own home. The first pig built his home with hay. The wolf came to his door, blew the house down, and ate the pig. The second pig made the house out of sticks. The wolf also came to his door, blew the house down, and ate the second pig. The third pig built his home out of bricks. The wolf then went to the third pig's home. He tried to blow down the house, but couldn't. So the wolf tried to trick the pig and climbed through the chimney, but to his surprise, landed in a pot of boiling water. At the end of the story, only 1 pig survived. Now let's do a quick check. Did you include the most important parts of stories? Let me think. Did I include the characters? I did. I said the characters were the 3 little pigs and the wolf. Did I include a setting? I did. The setting took place in 3 different places: the house made out of hay, the house made out of sticks, and the house made out of bricks. In the beginning, I retold how the boys left the mother's house and built their own home. In the middle of the story, I explained how each pig built his home and what happened to their home. And at the end of the story, I explained how only 1 pig survived. I did include all the parts that were most important, successfully retelling my story.